Now let's get a bit more advanced. You've already seen how to add a new project and you understand the structure of the small and large project cards. In this video, you will learn how to customize the different views and make the template your own. I strongly recommend that you lock important pages like the project's master hub, which are used by several people with different mastery of Notion, to avoid accidental changes or deleting content. When the page is locked, you can only comment or copy links to specific blocks. So the first thing to do before editing is to unlock it. To unlock the page and allow editing, simply click on the Unlocked button on top of the page. Once clicked, the button transforms into blue color and it says Relock. That means that now you can edit. You will now see a few more options on the views and databases to customize the suite. For example, you will find the filtering options, the sorting, the automations, and also you can access the different templates. Now if you would like to remove or change a view, you can do it straight over here. Let's say that within the By Owner view you would want to add some more information on the cards. To do so, open the View options. Then select the Properties menu and select the items you would like to see. Maybe here what would make sense is to get the progress, so clicking on the eye icon would show you the progress of each project. You can add anything else that is important for you, and of course you can remove things that don't make sense. In addition, you can have access to the databases that are foundation of the project suite over here within the navigation. The projects, the tasks, the meetings are all databases that we use to fill in the project hub and also the information within each project. When you open each one of them, you would see the source databases with all items. There are multiple views to make editing easier, and you will have a view that says All Items, from which you can visualize every single item of this database. You can modify all the views in here as well. Now if you modify the views here, that won't impact the way they're seen in the master hub. So if you need something a bit more specific, or to do a test of a view, I recommend you to do it over here, rather than directly on the hub, which you should keep for the finalized version of the views to keep it tidy and clean. Something else that you might want to customize is, say, the colors or the names of the stages. To modify the stages, open any of the stage options and click on Edit Property. This opens the Property menu on the right. From here you'll be able to change the name of each stage, their color, or even remove them if they are not suitable for you. If you're using another type of project management methodology, go ahead and customize this. Another way to change the properties that are linked to projects is from within any of the project cards. For example, if I open here the Marketing Boost, I see the same properties that we saw on the database just now. If you click on the Page Property stage, you can directly edit it from within the project card. So the logic that applies is, if you change it from the properties of the project, you will change it for everybody. The new setting will be applied throughout all the active and new projects. You would also see the change applied within the project's database, which feeds the project cards view at the top of the project's hub. Similarly, the tasks and the meetings are the two databases that feed both the master hub and each project card. The information in those databases is used to show the latest tasks, to help you prepare meetings, and also feed the timelines for each project. I think you start seeing how things are connected within the project management suite. First, on the master hub, you have a general overview of everything going on with the active projects, and you can get a high overview of the advancement of each project, access meeting notes, look at how tasks are completed, etc. Within each project card you have specific information for that project, and it all feeds from the same central databases. The goal here is to make it easy to have a coherent and uniform way of managing your projects. I encourage you to customize the way the templates and the portals have been built. If you ever make a mistake, you can always go back in time and restore the previous version of your Notion project system. That's it for now. Enjoy using the project management